questions for Kiefer, whom we are very thrilled finally joined us on the show. So, okay, we are doing, the top 10 basketball team names for Philippine cities and provinces. Michael Paungan says, Malabon this way.
Malabon this way.
Malabon this way.
Born this way.
Jeannie Rip, born this way. Jeannie Rip says, San Pablo, like jobs.
Like Steve Jobs.
Like jobs.
Maraming trabaho sa Pablo eh.
Super dami.
Iba-iba yung trabaho doon.
Ang dami
Eh,
doon.
paano kung, Caucasian yung nagsasalita?
Oh,
Jobs.
Oo.
San Pablo.
ay nako na eh.
Jobs.
Tinatanong ko lang, hindi ko talaga alam.
Move on na tayo.
Diba? Talaga, hindi mo alam. I expect na alam mo yun.
Hindi.
Kasi Caucasian eh.
VJ Jaco says, Sorsogondo. Uod says, Malolos and thumbs. Earl MFAO says, Shaw, your balls.
Your basketball.
Kasi syempre, di ba? Bago tayo maglaro, pakita niyo muna may bola kayo.
Specialist Joe. Mahirap pag wala, di ba? Ano mangyayari nun?
Hey, we have a
Anong
question for
i-dribble
you.
Yes.
This is really nice. Have you seen the memes about you?
Yeah.
What can you say about them though?
It's funny. It's funny. I find it humorous actually.
So imagine mo na people make memes about you.
It means something.
Parang this last part, especially nung finals, like,
Right.
UST people were calling me a good actor. All these memes about the flopper and stuff. It's fun. It's fun. It's really funny.
Mga memes talaga. Specialist Joe says, the Baclayon Divas. Kasi Baclayon.
Saan ba yun?
Bohol.
Ah, Bohol.
Bon Ryan says, the Misamis na miss na kita. Jan Naj says, the Amsterdam and Dammers. Manic Raygun says, the Alabang Buzzers. Kasi maraming bus dun eh.
Oo. Parang
Maraming
ano.
bus dun. And,
Again, basta.
Gino Boy, di ba? Ano na lang natin yung
Buzzers. Parang mga the cars. Parang ganun.
Right. Roger Virus says, the Dipologs Jologs. And Sugaresh says, the Banawe yun na. Dito na. Kiko Man Machine says, the Recto Diplomats. Kasi yung mga diplomats.
Tinatawag doon, diplomats.
Spike08 says, the Tawi-Tawi po.
Tawi-tawi po. Parang si Mahal lang. Chari-chari, tawi-tawi.
Di ba? I am Mr. Soul says, the Paranaque Fanatics.
So, wait, is it Paranaque Kiefer Natics?
Paranaque Fanatics.
Ah, so it's one word.
Fanatics.
Hindi Paranaque.
Hindi. DC Pereira says, the Diet Cokes. The Diet Cokes. And the top basketball team name for Philippine cities or provinces comes from Mark Kenkoy.
Mark Kenkor says,
Bicolanja Colors. Diba? Kasi they like to, mga telephone company.
Telephone company.
Telephone company.
Tsaka parang
Sponsored by,
Ilocandia, Bicolandia, di ba that's what you call that?
Pag we don't say naman Bicolandia. Tayo Bicolanja.
Bicolanja.
Talaga lang,
Bicolanja. Colors.
Diba? Kasi mga call center people na pumasok sa telcom.
Gusto ko yung kanina, yung
Ano, Gino Boy?
may basketball team na sa Tino Street sila located.
Wala walang ganun.
Meron eh.
Nabura ko lahat eh. So,
Di ba like there's parang a Green Bay Packers. So this one,
Actually, somebody was saying,
on the corner of
Nina was
Nino.
saying, talagang tumutulong si Kiefer na itawid ni Chico.
I know.
Alright, I think that's all we have, right? Or do you have some more?
Do we have one? Ikaw, Kiefer, you have a city or province? Tapos gagawin mo siyang basketball. Ako siguro,
Wala pa. Nasabi na nila siguro lahat.
Ako siguro the Quezon City, Navarros.
City Navarros.
Tapos ang music nila lagi bossa nova.
Yun yung intro music nila. Parang weird.
Naka-pump up na.
Oo.
Ako, wala. Please.
Sige na, DLJ.
No. I don't think we can replay it. I don't think it's ready. But
talaga.
suffice it to say, it's going to be replayed because
Okay,
we play
we
it
will.
before our show every day. So I hope that when you have. All right. Well, we would like to thank
I know!
the Phenom Keeper.
Thank you.
Just say hi to people.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
please.
Yes.
Say hi to my Yaya Senora, Yaya Mag, my dad, Uncle Randy, and Uncle Roy. Happy birthday, Uncle Roy.
Yeah, that's right.
Celebrating his birthday today. Happy birthday. To Sun again, LG, Greenwich, thank you for the pizza. And for Nike, for giving me shoes, shirts to play in. Thank
Size
you.
13.
Ano pa lang ginawa mo dun sa the shoes that you won't ever play again because you lost on that shoe?
It's hidden somewhere in the house.
We
Nakavolt.
burned. Kasi naman sa bonfire.
Sobrang sayang kasi it's my shoes, I have my name on it.
Siguro wag lang during the game.
Maybe not during the game.
Yeah, I
Or a
have
different
my name on it, probably.
It's a different pair.
Tapos tinago ko na talo eh.
May ganun pa.
Diba?
Talaga. Sabi ko, hindi ka na susunod. Yan, hindi ko na talaga susunod. And then, yan, hi sa mom ko, sa kapatid ko. Sa school, 30 Danny, my mom. Hello guys. Yeah.
Sana talaga yung iyak ng mommy mo, tears of
Totoo
joy.
naman. Actually, finalo up niya. Sabi niya, tears of joy naman.
Malibod na naman.
Finalo up niya.
Hindi ano nangyari sa anak ko.
Bakit nila ginagawa?
Bakit na pinag-guest yan?
Alright, well that's the morning rush today. Thank you. One
Thank
last
you.
time.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening.
Tapos dapat ang next gimmick natin, magpa-basketball tayo.
Na.
Siguro 3-on-3. Tayong tatlo, tapos siguro get 2 more na Blue Eagles.
Feeling ko kaya eh, kaya.
Kaya naman.
Tapos basta after naman nun, group shower lang.
Tapos pwede yung bola, beach ball. Tapos yung ring, hula hoop. Para madali shoot.
Alright, we gotta go.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, we're gonna say goodbye now. Hang in for Rico Robles and Francesca. Bye guys, have a great Tuesday.
Bye.